so much to learn about. It'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Oh, excuse me. I was just sipping on my hot cocoa. I sure do love drinking hot cocoa during the holiday season. Yeah, the holidays. I sure do love this time of year. So many people celebrate the holiday season in so many different ways. Yeah, but today I'm gonna celebrate it as Christmas. Yeah, and look at all these Christmas decorations. Whoa, check this out. Yeah, this right here, this is a Christmas tree. Yeah, but hey, I don't have a Christmas tree around here, so I have an idea. Why don't I go to a Christmas tree farm and go get one, and then we can decorate it. Yeah! Hello! Hey, look at all of these trees. Whoa, check out this tree. This tree is so big. Whoa, it's way taller than me. But hey, we need a tree, but we don't want a tree this big. Oh, let's see. Oh, hey, speaking of a small tree, look at this one. Hey! Okay, well for me, I'm trying to find the perfect tree. Yeah, and I actually like a little smaller tree. Some people like big trees. Whoa, look at this. Oh, this looks like the perfect tree. All right, I'm gonna use this saw because I'm a grown-up. And then I'm gonna saw down this tree. All right, here we go. Did you see that? Okay, I'm gonna put the saw back. Okay, nice and safe. All right, check it out. Look at what we got. We got ourselves, yeah, a tree. All right, let's take it back so then we can decorate it. This is awesome. Whoa, check out what I have. Yeah, it's a tree. Whoa, this isn't a very big Christmas tree, but it's really cute, huh? Yeah, whoa. All right, so the first thing we have to do, yeah, is lean the tree on its side. So then we can take the tree stand, set it all up. Yeah, so then we can put the tree in it and make it nice and tight so then it doesn't fall over. All right, let me put this right in here. Whoa. All right, I'm gonna tighten it up. Whoa. 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 All right, let me, just a little bit more. This is a little tricky. Hey, there we go. How does that look? Yeah, it's standing up all on its own without any of my help. All right, so let's see. See this tree? Yeah, it's not Christmas yet, so it's gonna be sitting here for a while. So the first thing we need to do is take some water and then give the tree some water. Yeah, it soaks up some water from its base. Here you go, tree. Yeah, trees like water, just like you and me. Water is so great, because it hydrates us. I love water. Okay, wow, what a great tree. And we have water with the tree. And what are we missing? Yeah, Christmas tree decorations. Okay, why don't I get the decorations and then you and I can decorate the tree together. This is gonna be fun. I sure do love Christmas, because there's a lot of cookies. Okay, anyways, there's a lot of Christmas tree decorations in here. So let me dump them out and then we'll see what we have. Whoa! Hey, look at what we have. All right, so, whoa, look at this. This is the topper. This goes on top of the tree. Yeah, and it's a star. Wow. Okay, we'll do that at the very end. We'll put that right there for now. Okay, and now we have some ornaments. And these ornaments, yeah, they look like trains. Choo-choo! Choo-choo! Okay, I love train ornaments. Whoa! Yeah! Whoa! Wow! This is called tinsel. Whoa, it's so soft. Makes me sneeze when it tickles my face. Okay, let's put that right over here. Oh, whoa. 2 more train ornaments. Choo-choo! All right, there we go. Now we have 4. 2 plus 2 is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Whoa, what's in here? Whoa, more ornaments. Yeah, and these are blue and silver ornaments. Okay, we'll put those right next to these trains. And then, whoa, look at what we have. Yeah, orange and blue lights. Wow, my 2 favorite colors. Okay, let's put the lights on first. All right, here we go. Gotta stretch them out. First, let's plug them in. We need some power. Oh, wrong side. All right, here's the power plug. All right, and actually, I'm gonna do something a little different. I'm gonna put them on first, and then we'll power them up to see how we did. So first, let me put them all the way around. Here we go. Wow. Okay, I wrapped the lights all the way around the tree multiple times. So now for the grand finale. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Whoa! It is so beautiful! Yeah! We did it! How does it look? Wow, it looks great. All right, let's see. What else do we have here? Yeah, the tinsel. Let's put on some tinsel. Yeah, we'll do the same thing. We just wrap it around the tree. Yeah, this looks really good. There we go. Okay, so we have the lights, we have the tinsel, and now we need some ornaments. Okay, here's some trains. There's one train. Here's another train. About right there. And then we have 2 more trains. Okay, then the last one, let's put about right in the middle. There we go. How does that look? I think it looks pretty good. Okay, now we have a lot more ornaments to do. So, I'm gonna put these on really quick. Ready? Oh, there we go. How do those look? Yeah, what a beautiful tree. Okay, we have one last thing. Wow, the tree topper. You wait till the very end to put this on. All right, whew. Here we go. Wow, we did such a great job decorating this Christmas tree together. Doesn't it look really good? Yeah, we have the star, we have some tinsel, we have some ornaments. Yeah, and can't forget about the blue and orange Blippi lights. Wow. Well, I had a lot of fun with you, but this is the end of this video. But if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Blippi. Blippi. Good job. All right, well, I'm sure I'll see you soon. Bye-bye. Yeah.
Come on everyone, let's make learning fun. So much to learn about. It'll make you want to shout, Blippi!